Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about knock sensor for Acura TL. But before we go on with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell button so you can get a notification whenever I drop a new video. I'm going to show you where the knock sensor is located. It's right under the cylinder. It's in a very hard place, so I'm trying as much as possible to zoom the camera so you can see where it's positioned. Okay, I'm trying to dip in my finger to bring it out so you can see it. That's it. You can see mine is broken. That is why you see it that way, because it's broken due to the heat of the engine. So most time you need to pay close attention. Before you do this, you have to remove the edge cylinder. You can see it, the manifold. Sorry, you have to remove the manifold. It's just right under the manifold. It's not an easy thing to do. After removing the manifold, you need to remove the cylinder also to get this fixed. You can see it. So you have to check this time, maybe every 2 months or 3 months, because due to the heavy heats from the engine, it destroy the knock sensor often. So you need to be careful, and this really affects your engine. So I hope you learned from this. Thank you. Bye.